Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Centrum adult bottle cap. This type of cap is designed for safety, so it requires a specific two-step process. First, place your palm firmly on top of the cap and press down. While maintaining that downward pressure, twist the cap counterclockwise. You should feel it disengage, and then it will unscrew easily. This method ensures the cap opens correctly every time. Centrum adult bottles feature a child-resistant cap, a crucial safety measure. This design prevents young children from easily opening the bottle and accessing the contents. The mechanism relies on two parts: an outer cap that spins freely and an inner cap that engages with the bottle threads only when pressed down. Understanding this design helps you apply the correct force and motion for a smooth opening experience. When opening your Centrum bottle, avoid some common mistakes. Do not attempt to pry the cap off with tools, as this can damage both the cap and the bottle. A frequent error is twisting without enough downward pressure. The cap will just spin. Forcing it can strip the threads, making it difficult to close securely. Always ensure your hands are dry for a firm grip, which is essential for the two-step process. After taking your vitamins, it's important to close the bottle properly to maintain freshness and safety. Simply place the cap back on the bottle, align it, and twist clockwise until you hear a distinct click. This click indicates that the child-resistant mechanism has re-engaged. Always store your Centrum bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Most importantly, keep it out of reach of children and pets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.